Hi guys. I worked my day job today. For those that don't know, I teach at a college part-time. I just picked up my preschooler and I'm gonna go pick up my middle schooler. And I work at the airport tonight. Got a new bid from 8 p.m. to 1:15 a.m. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pick them up, feed them. My high schooler walks home from school, and then I'm gonna chill out because I have a 5.5 hour shift. So I will talk to you guys in a minute. Hi guys, I think the last time I talked to you, it was about 6 hours ago. So I went home and relaxed and chilled out and watched TV and everything. I did not take a nap. My shift is from 8 to 1 a.m. It's 5 hours and 15 minutes, 1:15. And I looked at the app. The first plane's coming in at 9:45 or so, the second plane around 11, and then the third plane around 12. So I think for the first hour and a half or so, we don't have anything to do. So I'll probably do some training, computer training, and catch up, and then it'll go from there. I haven't done this new bid ever, actually. This is my first time. The bid just started today, actually. My new bid, I'm doing 5 hours Friday night, and then I'm doing a Sunday bid, 11:45 to 1:45. So hopefully this will be a good bid, and I'm only coming in 2 days a week, no early morning shifts, so we will see. The thing about the night shift is that I will be cleaning the planes. So we have 2 planes that need to be cleaned, and then 1 that goes out and comes in and goes back out. So I'll talk to you in a minute. So we've literally been sitting for 4 hours, and we got here at 8 o'clock, and it's 12:50, so the first plane's coming in. They're all gonna be coming in within the next few minutes, so one comes in at 11:50. Off to the next flight. They landed within 5 minutes of one another. Hi guys, it is actually the next night. It is 11:25 and I need to be there at 11:30. So I need to rush really fast. I never got to finish. I didn't get to really film yesterday just because it was really a hard night. All 3 planes came in at the exact same time. So it would have been easier if maybe they would have came in maybe an hour apart, but there was a limited amount of us. And we had 3 huge planes bringing them in, and all of them had to be offloaded and cleaned. We ended up leaving work about an hour and a half late because of all the plane delays. So I probably left about 2:25 or so. So tonight is another night. I looked at the app, and all of the flights, well, I only have 1 flight, thank goodness. The flight is coming in on time. Actually, it's coming 20 minutes early. So we're on track to being able just to do what we need to do and go. So I'm scheduled from 11:30 to 1:30 in the morning, and we'll see what happens. Come on now. Okay, we ready? Hi guys, I was able to clock out at 12:37, and that was great. So the
shift was about 1 hour and 7 minutes. It could have been 2 hours, but I had a really great crew. No one called off. The plane came in on time. So it's so interesting what a difference a day makes, because yesterday it was crazy and today was smooth. So you never know in the airline industry how your day is going to be, whether you get to leave early or stay 2, 3, 4 hours late. One thing, I did the jet bridge in this video, and the only reason why I was able to do that is because I am a customer service agent. Well, I've done customer service and I'm trained. Most ramp agents don't, unless they are cross-utilized. So they don't do the jet bridge. So that's the only thing, but everything else, a lot of other airlines don't have you clean the planes. We clean the planes just for the RONs, remain overnights, because we are a small station. So those should be the only differences. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you later.